How tall is the Sunshine Skyway? Give me some information.
I don't know.
Tall enough to make you crap your pants.
Phone ought to do it for you.
That is true. Good idea. Good idea.
Fishing. Watch it. Want me drive and you can look?
430 feet.
Yeah.
131 meters.
Drive. Now look. Far away. We're at the top going down. You like to go in the mountains, don't you?
Yeah. It is kind of crazy to think that, like, that's the height of an actual cruise ship right there.
That's the height, what?
Like, if you were standing on the top of a cruise ship, that's how high you are.
Well, that's right.
It's crazy.
But you like it? Yep. Some of them are bigger than that cruise ship.
Video. It's raining everywhere. It's raining everywhere but here. Looks like that's back home. So it might be raining in Tampa, back home. And in Sarasota. Sarasota, Fort Myers, maybe down there. What's that? It's raining everywhere but here. Yeah, I see that. Over there. Over there. Not here.
It hardly ever rains right at the beach. Not very often. Last year it rained every day down there.
First day it didn't, but then every day after that.
For a little while. That side for a while. Yeah. Don't last long. What time is it anyway?
Time for you to get a watch.
Kiss my hand.
Hey.
Hey, time to go out to the buoy. Are you ready? After you just drank all that?
Yeah.
Oh no. What's that doing? I don't want to call 911.
After we had a bunch of beers, let's go swim out to where the sharks are at, boys. Drink of courage.
They're talking like they're...
Do some fireball. Put a fire under our ass.
What's that round thing we're doing? We're going to keep going around.
Jet ski.
Have another.
The beer can Olympics, and the back float is being won by Dustinkeene. Let's see, look at his form. He's got the hands out in the 90-degree angle. Do you hear me?
A little later.
Oops, what do we see? What do we see?
What is it?
I don't know. What are you looking at?
Trolley.
Okay, keep going.
I don't like it.
I always like one there. And here comes more waves. We have Dustin Keene going back out. He's going down as he comes up before he makes his way to the top of the wave. He is going 2 feet down, getting his momentum. He comes up, still having the hat on. I think that's plus 10 points. Oh, I took it off. Waving it around. That would be a -3. Puts it back on. He's smiling. Waving to the crowd. Wave to the crowd. And alright, here comes the next wave. He's getting in position. He will be jet propelling himself to the top of the wave. Here is
Thank you.